हेलो दोस्तों, मैं तिलक राज शर्मा, पीएचडी रिसर्च स्कॉलर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जम्मू। स्वागत करता हूं आपका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। दोस्तों, आज मैं एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक और एक रिसेंट पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट इन द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आपके सामने लेके आया हूं। इस टॉपिक का नाम है गुपकर डिक्लेरेशन 2.0। सो दोस्तों, ये वीडियो बहुत छोटा, बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव और बहुत नॉलेजेबल रहेगा। जो लोग जिस भी एग्ज़ाम की या किसी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी होने वाला है। आई होप आपको ये अच्छा लगे वीडियो। अगर अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। सो बिना टाइम गवाए मैं अपना ये लेक्चर आज का शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ। सो लेट्स नो अबाउट गुपकर डिक्लेरेशन 2.0. So there must be a Gupkar Declaration 1 also. So let's clear about everything. So what is the background of this? दोस्तों, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है जानना कि what is गुपकर। गुपकार एक एक्चुअली it's a name of a place where most of the political leaders, the top leaders from Jammu and Kashmir live. ये जगह जो है ये श्रीनगर में है। वहाँ पर हमारी स्टेट के टॉप लीडर्स उस जगह पे रहते हैं एंड इट्स फेमसली नोन एज द रॉयल इवन प्लेस, द रॉयल प्लेस इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। सो गुपकार आज के टाइम पे क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमारी स्टेट के जो फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं डॉक्टर फ़ारूक अब्दुल्ला, उनका घर है फ़ारूक अब्दुल्ला जी का, जो एनसी के प्रधान भी हैं। सो गुपकर 1 कब हुआ? दिस इज़ द गुपकर 2। सो गुपकर 1 कब हुआ? सबसे पहले देखिए, जो इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट हमारी हिस्ट्री में करंट या कंटेम्प्रेरी टाइम पे हुआ लास्ट ईयर अगस्त 5, 2019 को, वो क्या था? हमारी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जो एक स्टेट थी, वहाँ से आर्टिकल 370 जो हमें स्पेशल स्टेटस और स्पेशल सिटीजनशिप राइट्स देता था, उसको एब्रोगेट किया गया। सो अब उस टाइम पे सिचुएशन क्या थी? मोस्टली सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट उस टाइम पे अगर हम देखें तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली पूरा जम्मू कश्मीर को आर्म्ड कर दिया गया था, आर्म्ड फोर्सेस डिप्लॉय कर दी गई थी। उसके बाद इवैक्यूएट किया गया था, हमारे यहाँ से जितने भी ट्रैवलर्स थे उनको इवैक्यूएट कर दिया गया था। एंड मोस्टली कश्मीर के अंदर जम्मू के जो लोग सर्व कर रहे थे उनको जम्मू वापस बुला लिया गया था। सो देयर वॉज एक्चुअली अ क्लाइमेट ऑफ टेरर was there कि what actually has happened, whether India has planned an air strike upon Pakistan और या फिर कुछ इंटरनल, बट एक क्यास लगाया जा रहा था कि आर्टिकल 370 को हटा के 35A को हटा के स्टेट को बाइफरकेट ना करके स्टेट को ट्राइफरकेट किया जाएगा, जिसमें वन वुड बी लद्दाख, ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वन वुड बी Ladakh and then other would be Kashmir and then Jammu. All right. Then उस समय क्या होता है, उस क्योस की, उस एनार्की की सिचुएशन में अगस्त 4 को 2019 को फर्स्ट गुपकर डिक्लेरेशन साइन होती है, जो जस्ट अ डे बिफोर द एब्रोगेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 370। अब इस गुपकर डिक्लेरेशन में कौन कौन सी पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं? नंबर 1, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, देन जम्मू कश्मीर पीडीपी, जम्मू कश्मीर पीपल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस, जेकेपीसीसी, सीपीआईएम, पीयूएफ, जेकेपीएम एंड अवामी नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस। अब गुपकार मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया कि गुपकार क्या है, रेजिडेंस ऑफ फ़ारूक अब्दुल्ला। Basically, it was to discuss the tense situation, as I have already told you, to triggered by massive deployment of forces, forced removal of tourists from valley. The president of the National Conference stated that he will raise the Gupkar Declaration in Parliament and this struggle will be Gandhian, as they never believe in stones and bullets. Please note this. He said his struggle would be Gandhian, not favoring any stone pelters and bullets. So now why it is in news? Now August 22. See, this is the important date, August 22, 2020. After almost an year, the six political parties, how many? Six political parties of Jammu and Kashmir. So basically, it's not the political parties of Jammu, but it is the political parties of Kashmir, signed a statement titled as Gupkar Declaration 2 to collectively fight against the abrogation of 370 and 35A. 35A from Jammu and Kashmir. These political parties include the National Conference, the People's Democratic Party. Please note this: the People's Democratic Party, Indian National Congress. This is important to know. The mainstream national political party, Indian National Congress, the Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference, the Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM, and the Awami National Conference. Now, why this became strategically so important and what actually the indication of this conference, this declaration given to other people. Like, for example, if anything happened in our state, so Pakistan became one of the actor. I don't know they were invited or not, but it became a prominent actor by themselves also, and making their stake in Kashmir, blah blah blah. Then Pakistan Foreign Minister कौन है? Shah Muhammad Qureshi hailed the Gupkar Declaration too, citing that it is not an ordinary occurrence but an important development. Mostly it's just an ordinary occurrence, but they said it is an important development. To this, the former minister of Jammu and Kashmir फारूक अब्दुल्ला रिवर्टेड. अब फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी का क्या कहना है इस इशू पे? What he said? Let me make it clear that we are not the puppet of anyone, neither New Delhi nor any cross border, nor anyone from the border. We are answerable to the people of Jammu and Kashmir and will work for them. So, Farooq Abdullah reiterated that their commitment to the people of Jammu and Kashmir became only important. So, what is Gupkar 2 declaration and what are its key points? Please note this one by one. It can be asked in any of the interview or any of the paper. The joint statement reads, the joint statement means the statement of six political parties. Six political parties I named above. Please note that six political parties. We are committed to strive for the restoration of Article 370 and 35A. We are committed to strive for the restoration of Article 370 and 35A. कि हम लोग committed हैं कि दोबारा से 370 को रिस्टोर किया जाए और 35A को लाया जाए. The Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir and restoration of the state and division of the state is unacceptable to us. We unanimously reiterate that there can be nothing about us without us. So the question of we and they was being rejected. So this was being rejected. Now what is next and why it is important? The statement further added what they said. The series of measures undertaken on 5th August 2019 was grossly unconstitutional and in reality measures of disempowerment and a challenge to the basic identity of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. दोस्तों ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इन्होंने कहा because when we talk about the people of Jammu, mostly the Dogra people, they said our identity was being shaken and taken away. Then similar case with the Kashmir. Ladakhi people are happy because their long pending demand was met to get what we call this union territory status. So now what are the key points? The political parties jointly said, we want to assure the people that all our political activities will be subservient to the sacred goal of reverting to the status of J&K as it existed on 4th August 2019. Please note that all are committed to the sacred goal of reverting to the status of J&K as a existed before 4th August 2019. But friends, let's conclude in again. Now, what are the key points? Please note this. What are the key points? There are the three important points. The six parties have jointly stated the center's decisions to alter the special status of Jammu and Kashmir is grossly unconstitutional. Means what? All the major political parties of the Kashmir, not Jammu and Kashmir, please note this, not Jammu and Kashmir, it's only the political parties of the Kashmir, have jointly stated the center's decision to alter the special status of Jammu and Kashmir is grossly unconstitutional. Please note the word. The parties have unequivocally and unanimously reiterated that there can be nothing without us and without us. Nothing about us and nothing without us. This clearly means that center has to take the people of Jammu and Kashmir in confidence before making any changes in the constitution. That's a very valid point. The political parties have stated that the abrogation of 370 and 35A is a measure to disempower the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Please note these points. First, that the action taken by the center was grossly unconstitutional. Then second, people's demand and people must take into confidence before making any changes in the constitution. And then third, the parties have stated that the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A is a measure to disempower the people. Disempower the people. Please note this. Now, if we need to conclude, please note, if we need to conclude, the very basic things and very important things, if we look at, the formation of PDP, all right, PDP talk about the greater Kashmir and always gives an angle to Pakistan. But when we talk about this national conference, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, it talk about pre-1953 period. So in order to talk about these things, there wasn't anything achievable what we call the greater Kashmir or the healing touch policy really existing, and the center wasn't able to accept those things. And if we talk about getting the pre-1953 period of Jammu and Kashmir, the status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, NC National Conference was unable to get that, even the single 1% of that. So what, as a as a student of political science, I would suggest that these leaders should collectively come out in the mainstream and to talk about, to give people the development and talk about the development with the center and give the and will and इनको बात करना चाहिए कि जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट हैं इंडिविजुअल्स की, जो बेसिक एमिनिटीज़ हैं लोगों की, जो दोनों रीजन्स के लोग इस समय भुगत रहे हैं, उसका खामियाजा फ्यूचर में ना भुगतना पड़े, उसके लिए बात करनी चाहिए. अदरवाइज देर इज़ नो नीड टू कम फॉरवर्ड ऑफ सच पीपल इन जिनमें लोगों को कोई फेथ नहीं रहा. यू पीपल हैव डिसट्रस्टेड एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि मुझे आप लोगों में या पर्सनली इंडिविजुअली मुझे आप लोगों में ट्रस्ट रहा है. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द PDP, So PDP was the valley-centric party, and if we talk about the BJP again is fulfilling its agenda and its manifesto and the promises to what it made to the people of India except Jammu and Kashmir. So the people of Jammu and Kashmir are striving to achieve the best possible life, but the political parties and the political leaders, both from Jammu as well as Kashmir, making their life hell, and they are not answerable in this situation of anarchy. And believe me, we are in anarchy. If you like my lecture, this lecture, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.